Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Knowledge Ki Dunya. In this video I will tell you different facts that will definitely increase your knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so the update of my every video will be shown you. Then we will start our video with the fact number 1. Between 2000 and 2012, natural disaster caused $1.7 trillion in damage and 2.9 billion of people affected. Fact number 2. 92% of world currency are on computer and only 8% is physical. Fact number 3. 20% of earth oxygen produced by Amazon forest. Fact number 4. Salt grains enlarge 150x by an electron microscope. Fact number 5. We forget about 90% of our dreams. Fact number 6. Bears have an excellent sense of smell than dogs or possibly any other mammal. Fact number 7. In 1979, it snowed in Sahara Desert for 30 minutes. Fact number 8. Red bananas are also exist on this earth. They are the subgroup of bananas from Southeast Asia. They taste like normal bananas but with the hint of raspberry sweetness. It provides many nutrients that are beneficial to immune system. Fact number 9. A Scorpio can hold its breath up to 6 days. It can survive a whole year without food, can climb almost every surface. Fact number 10. Only 12% of people dream in black and white. Rest of other dream in colors. Fact number 11. An average human being spends 6 years in dreaming in life. Fact number 12. You should never eat anything which is wrapped in newspaper because ink used in newspaper is directly linked to cancer. Fact number 13. The Rain Man, Lawrence Kim Peake, was only served to scientists who could read 2 pages of books simultaneously, one with each eye. Fact number 14. It's illegal to chew gum in Singapore. If you like my video, then keep thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.